Hi friends, today's lesson is for Module 5, Lesson 12. Our learning goal for today says, I can build towers from 20 to 10, showing one less. All right, when you have less of something, you take it away. It's kind of like earlier today I had 5 cookies, and then my kiddo came up and ate one, and I had one less. I only had 4. That's okay. 4 cookies way too many anyway. All right, so one less, so we're going to be taking away. Now in our last lesson, we were making more taller towers, right? In this one, we're going to be taking away, so let's go ahead and talk about our different colors that we were using. See, if we're going to be having groups of 10s and we make the different groups different colors, it makes it a little bit easier to see when we're taking away. So for example, today I made 2 towers. One is 10 oranges and 10 yellow cubes. All right, when I stack them on top of each other, that's what will make 20. Okay, so if I have 20 and I take 1 away, I go from having 10 yellows to how many yellows? Yeah, just 9, right? So 10, 9. What number is that? Good, it's 19. Cool. All right, so we can use how we know about, say, 10 numbers to help us to know what the numbers are when we take them away from our tower. All right, if I have 9 up there, or 19, and I take 1 away and show 1 less, now I have 10, 8. What number is that? Good, 18. What if I take another one away, and now I have 1 less? Go ahead and turn to tell your neighbor. What number do you see? Good, it's 10, 7, so it's 17. Now, what if I stopped and I took 1 away, but then I went to the bathroom or I had to go get a sip of water and I came back? Uh-oh. I know that this is 10, but this is no longer 10. So now how am I going to figure it out? Is it impossible? No. What could I do? Yeah, I could count my 10, which I just know is 10 because that hasn't changed, 10, and then count on 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, 16. Good. And then if I take 1 less than that, I would have 10, 5. What number is that? Good, 15. And I have 1 less. Now what is it? Good, 14, or 10, 4. 1 less than that would be? Oh, now you're getting fast. 13, 10, 3. Ooh, now I have 10 and only 2. What number is that? Good, it's 12. If I forgot, I could say 10, 11, 12. Good. If I have 12 and I take 1 away, I have 1 less. Now what number do I have? Good. 10, 1, or 11. This is the trickiest of the trickster ones, friends. Are you ready? I have 11 and I make it 1 less than 11. What number do I have now? Yes, I have 10. Friends, did you have to count that? No, you knew it was just 10 right away. We had already talked about if it's all there, it's going to be 10 if it's all the orange ones. Fantastic. So that's how you can show 1 less in your towers. You can start with the bigger number and then just slowly take away the pieces as you need to. Okay, well, our learning goal said, I can build towers from 20 to 10, showing 1 less. We had 20, and we just took 1 away at a time, and we even said it the say 10 way and the regular way. We're rocking it today. Okay, so now it's your turn. Here's a tower that I made. As you can see, it's 10, 3. What number is that? Good, 13. I want you with your counting cubes to make a tower that's 1 less than 13. Now, just like I did, I want you to make sure you use different colors in your tower so that I can clearly see the different pieces, okay? Then make a video and tell me what your number is and how you know. All right, so 1 less than 13. That's what you're making. Good luck, friends.